If the line y is equal to root 3x, cut the curve x cube plus y cube plus 3xy plus 5x square plus 3y square plus 4x plus 5 minus 1 equals to 0 at 3 points A, B and C. Then OA into OB into OC is, where O being the origin. So we know that y is equal to root 3x is the line passing through origin. So this is the line y is equal to root 3x and whose slope is root 3, that is tan theta is equal to root 3, so which implies theta is equal to 60 degrees, and the line cuts the curve at 3 points. Say the point A, the point B, anywhere it can cut, and 3 points the curve may cut. The curve can be anyhow, it can be like any point. So let's consider the point A, any point, say A, from origin at a distance of r units. So we can consider r cos theta, theta is 60 here, r cos theta, r sin 60 degrees. So that is the point we can take here. R cos 60 is 1 by 2, so that is r by 2. R sin 60 is root 3 r by 2, root 3 r by 2. So this is the point A, and since we know that this point A is lies on the curve, since point A lies on the given curve, so which implies r by 2 whole cube plus root 3 r by 2 whole cube plus 3 times of r by 2 into root 3 by 2 r plus 5x square plus 5x square, 5 times of r by 2 whole square plus 3 times of y square, that is root 3 by 2 r whole square plus 4 times of r by 2 plus 5 times of root 3 by 2 r minus 1 equals to 0. So which can be simplified further as r to the power of 3 divided by 8 plus 3 root 3 r cube divided by 8 plus 3 by 4 or 3 root 3 by 4 r square plus 5 by 4 r square, and here it comes 3 into 3, so 9 by 2 r square plus 4r by 2 plus 5 by 2, 5 root 3 by 2 r minus 1 equals to 0, or you can take LCM as 8, and here we can write 1 plus 3 root 3 times of r cube, and here 4 and here 8. If I take LCM as 8, so here 2 into 3 root 3, so let me write 6 root 3 directly. So this is 6 root 3, and here 5 2s are 10, and here 2 4s are 9, 4s are 36 times r square. And now coming to the r, coefficient of r, here the denominator is 2, so 4 times, so 16 times r plus here 4 5s are 20 root 3 times r minus 8 is equal to 0. So this is the cubic equation, you got it. And since we want the product of the roots, like if O, A, B, C are the 3 points, like OA, OB, OC are the 3 roots of the equation, So the product of the roots of the curve, since OA, OB, OC are the roots of the above equation, so which implies the product of the roots OA into OB into OC is equal to minus times of minus 8 divided by constant term divided by the coefficient of leading coefficient, that is coefficient of r power 3. So 1 plus 3 root 3. So which implies here 8 divided by 3 root 3 plus 1, are doing rationalization. 3 root 3 minus 1 divided by 3 times root 3 minus 1. So which equals 8 times of 3 root 3 minus 1 upon 3 root 3 into 3 root 3, that comes 27 minus 1, so that is 26. So 8 upon 26 times of 3 root 3 minus 1, that is 2 4s are and 2 13s are 4 upon 13. 3 root 3 minus 1 is the answer for this question, and we can see the option 4 upon 13 3 root 3 minus 1 is first option.